Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell on eBay as a beginner in 2022. It's a step-by-step guide, and these are a few things that I will cover. Register a seller account and connect your bank account. Find profitable products to sell. List an item as auction or buy it now with an optimized title. Add shipping details, add promotion, receive messages and send messages. I'll show you real messages and also share real message templates with you. It's going to be here in the description. And also, at last, shipping your item. So let's jump right to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So the first step is to go to ebay.com, and once you're there, you click register. Then here you fill up first name, last name, email. Now let's do it together. I'm gonna just create a new store with you. And when it comes to email, I highly suggest to create an email that is related to your store, to your work, okay, instead of using a personal email. All right, and then I'm going to click here, create account. Then after this, the first thing you do, you come here in the corner and then you click account settings, and then it's going to open this page right here. And then you come here, you put your personal information and just click. I am of course going to blur now a little bit for you guys. And then once you have filled information here, you go to payment information because you will have to set up your payments. All right, so this is the payment section, and here you can add credit card, debit card, and if you're in the United States, you can connect your US bank account directly here by clicking add payment option. But now, if you are an international seller, you can use services such as Payoneer or Revolut to get US or UK bank account to connect with eBay. And for example, Payoneer is quite simple. You just go to their website and click here, sign up. It's really straightforward, okay? It's pretty easy to do. Now, the tricky part is to connect Payoneer to your eBay account, and I am going to show you how to do that right now. I'm just going to use another store. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me show you how to quickly connect Payoneer to your eBay account. You go to payments, and once you're in payments, you click register now. And then it shows here I took the steps to connect to Payoneer account, sync eBay to Payoneer, add credit card, and submit registration information. And then you just click get started. We're going to keep it. We're going to continue as an individual account. Okay, so yes, you choose the option yes, keep this as an individual account, and you click continue. All right, this is the second stage where you sync your profiles, and then they ask you if you have an existing Payoneer account, and you do. All right, so you click yes, sign in, and this is the part where you connect your eBay account to your Payoneer account. Go ahead and sign in. As you can see, it automatically does for you. And then go ahead and click on continue. And then this is the third step where you're going to add a card for selling costs, okay? And then you just type your credit card information here. And once you have filled all the information, you go at the bottom of the page and then you click continue. So we're at the final stage of submitting the request. Check everything, and then you just click submit request. And eBay will contact you once everything is set. Now, it's also important to mention here that it takes a little bit, all right? It takes a little bit of time. Sometimes it takes even weeks for it to get approved and connected. So how do you find profitable products to sell? First step is to look for a place to source the products from. Normally, my first go-to place is a $1 store, a Chinese store near my house. And yesterday, I visited the store and I made a list of potential products. And I usually focus on small to medium-sized products, so the shipping is cheaper. And once I have this list of products at hand, I use a tool called Zik Analytics, and Zik is an eBay analytics and product research tool that you can try it for $1 at any time, and the link is also down here in the description. So using Zik, I research the demand and the competition of each product on eBay. And why do I do that? I do that to make sure that I'm not listing products with no demand. So let's take a look on the process for one of the products I found yesterday. Where is it? Here, this one. All right, let's do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're here in Zik Analytics, and let me show you how the process, how it works, okay? So we have this little cat here. Some people call it Lucky Cat, I guess. So what you do is you go to product research in Zik Analytics, and you search for, let's see, Lucky Cat. Let's see what happens. Okay, Lucky Cat. You see there's a high sell-through rate, 105%, $1,006,000 in the last 30 days. And then you see here, as you can see, there's beaconing cat. Okay, so beaconing cat is another nice keyword we can look for. So we come here and then we do beaconing cat. Let's see what happens. Let's see the demand for it. Maneki neko as well, they call it. Japanese cat. What else? Lucky cat. Let's see. Waving cat. A waving cat right here. We can use also. Let's look for a waving cat. Let's look for these keywords. Waving cat. Let's see if there's actual demand for this product. So here, Lucky Cat, I see there's demand. I see that there's 105% sell-through rate and the average price $16, which is good for the price that I pay for this. It's a nice profit margin. And then 39% of successful listings, which means I have to be better than, I have to be in this 39%. I have to be better than this 39%. Okay, let's check it out. Beaconing Cat. Beaconing Cat has 45% sell-through rate. You know, something that interesting that I'm looking here is that actually they don't have a yellow one. They have golden, they have black, they have white, but they don't have a yellow one like I found it. So that's good because it's an opportunity to bring something new to the market, okay? Let's look for Waving Cat. Waving Cat 51%, okay. There's demand. Okay. In this case, I have to be better than this 20%, and then in this case, I have to be better than 17%, but it's selling. It's selling. Check it out. The last 30 days sold 7 times. Total lifetime 400. Wow, check this one down. Lifetime 1,445. Okay. But the idea here is to compete with these listings with around this price. Because look, I got this toy, this thing for about $2.99, let's say $3. All right. So if I can sell it for 13 or 14, that's a good profit, right? We're talking about $10, $11 profit margin. And there's some people selling even for more. So this way I am validating. I went to the store, I saw this product, and here in Zik Analytics, it is showing me the data. It is showing that it has demand. It's showing me that in the last 30 days, there was a sell-through of 105%. So out of 100 listings, 105 items are sold. All right, so once you validate demand and the market price, and you have found your supplier, which in my case, I think it's a good deal. It's this Chinese store next to my house, and I bought this item for cheap, and I can see that selling for, I can sell for $17, for example. So after validating everything, we are ready to list the product to our store. And before I show you how to take pictures and do everything, it's really important to have an optimized title. All right, so let me show you how to optimize the title. This product here, it's good. It's selling well, right? And has a strong title. And we just copy the title. And then we'll come here to Zik Analytics Title Builder, and then replace just a keyword. Let's say beaconing cat, for example, right? Let's see what happens. All right, so it shows long tail keywords ideas and generic ideas. And I'm just gonna paste here the title that we copied. And let's see if it makes sense for us. For example, for me, Feng Shui might not have, I don't see, okay, cat Feng Shui, so it has a demand for it. You can see there's average searches. Beaconing cat is on the highest. So we have beaconing cat, wealth, lucky, waving kitty, maneki neko, black. All right, now my product's not black, it's yellow, so I can just switch here. Yellow, and I don't have to put the size. Is there anything missing from these generic keyword ideas? I say beaconing, maneki neko, waving. Okay, it's pretty much ready. So basically, just tweak the title a little bit and make it on your favor. So maybe I can just put here yellow instead of there, but just put to make it more pleasant to yellow beaconing cat, wealth, lucky, waving kitty, maneki neko. All right, I think it's good. I mean. All right, let's add the feng shui. All right, let's do that. All right, and once you do that, you copy to clipboard. Cool. So let's list this item together and let's take some pictures of the product. And the important thing here on the photos is just to have a clear background, a good light. In this case, I will have this little LED to improve the light here. Take a few photos, and once I have that, I will post it. All right, so let's take some pictures together to list this product. Please just keep in mind that it's always important to have a clear background, a clear surface, make the photo as neat as possible, okay? In this case, I have a little LED here, which helps a lot. So, for example, I can play around, as you can see here. I can play around, I can take some interesting photos, just like this. I can take a few photos to the side and so on, okay? So let's do that together. Now, let me show you how to list this item. So let's list this item together right now. You go here in the top right corner, sell, and once you do that, you can write, I mean, you can write beaconing cat. Oops. Let's see, start with this title, for example, right? So the title just changed here to the title that we did is Zig Analytics. Okay, for subtitle, you do have to pay an extra. And then you have the category. So it's already here in the category. And let's see, collectible, home garden, everything else. All right, and I'm gonna add a second category here. Let's just in case, let's see, lucky cat, let's see what happens. And then collectibles, animals, cats, figurines. I mean, it could work as well. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, but then it would apply this much. Okay, for the sake of this example, let's just leave one category. And the condition is new. And then we have to add the photos now. Now it's uploading from all these photos. I think this photo could be the first. You can, if you want, you can crop it like this. And then you have the item specifics. So the item specifics is right here. It provides information about the item you're selling, such as brand, size, type, size, color, and style. And these details help buyers find your item when they filter their searches and appear at the top of their listing descriptions. Okay, so is it handmade? No, it's not handmade. Is it a modified item? No, it's not modified item. Ownership history available? You don't need that. Country of region? I can put China. I know it's China, so. All right, then you have the item description. The item description is the place to describe the item you're selling and provide complete and accurate details. For this example, what I'm going to do is actually go to one of the listings here that we see and try to get some inspiration. For example, beaconing with cat, invite good luck. This is interesting. Okay, it has the same A battery. So I'm just going to, for this, I'm just going to copy. And I'll paste here and fix it a little bit. Then you have the selling details. You have both formats, auction style, and auction styles. You can set the duration here. You can schedule when to start, the starting price, the buy it now price. And then you have different options such as let buyers make offers. But I am going to choose for this example, fixed price, okay? And the fixed price, start, yes, I'll leave here, start my listings when I submit them, and the buyer price. So I'm happy, I'm gonna put $13.99 or even $12.99. Then you have the quantity, then you have the payment options and so on. I do accept domestic returns, 30 days, return shipping will be paid by buyer. And now shipping details. Okay, so domestic shipping, I put same cost of buyers. I normally use the economy service, USPS, from 2 to 8 days, and I put free shipping because I had the shipping price and here, shipping costs around here as well. Who doesn't like to buy something with free shipping, right? All right, and then here just filled information about the package weight and dimensions, the package that I can ship, you can use, pack and ship from, and the weight. And then there's always the promoter listing standards. eBay says boost your sales as promoter listing standards. Promoted items see 2 times more sales than non-promoted items on average. But for this example, I'm not gonna do it, okay? After this, you can need a preview, see here how it is, and it looks okay. You can just go and list the item. As it's uploading, let me show you how to contact the buyer after you make your sale and after you ship an item. Let me just open another store here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is another store. I'm going to show you how to send messages to buyers right after you make your first sale or a sale. And all these message templates are available here in the description. All right, so this item right here was just sold, and you have the tracking number from the supplier down here. And what you do is you go here to this message template, you copy it, and then you press here and you click contact buyer. And so here's the message window, and you just paste the message here, and then you edit. Of course, you put the buyer's name, and his name is David Aleman. And then you can make it a bit more personal. You can write, hi, dear David Aleman. Thank you very much for your purchase. I appreciate your quick payment. I've left positive feedback for you. We are preparing your item for shipping, and I will update you as soon as possible with the tracking number. Thank you for shopping at, and then you put your store's name here. I appreciate your business and look forward to seeing you again. Have a nice day. All right, and that's it. And after the product is sold, you have to also get in contact with the buyer and provide the tracking number. So let's go. So you get back to the orders, you click here, add the tracking, and then it's going to open this window, edit tracking numbers, and then you paste the tracking number here, and then it should detect the carrier automatically, and then you save and continue. All right, and after you add the tracking number and you set the order as shipped, what you do is you can go back here to the template, and then you can just copy and paste this right here, message after order shipped. And then you paste, and then you put the name here, the buyer's name, and then you edit here, the order was shipped on the date it was. Your shipment is on the way, and it will get to you in certain days. We'll include a track information so you can easily follow its progress. Please note that it may take up to 24 hours for your tracking data to appear on the carrier's website, and we hope you enjoy your purchase, and thank you again for shopping at your store's name. And please, it's always nice to do this, please leave us a 5-star rating and positive feedback on eBay if you enjoyed the item. Or let us know if there's an issue so we can quickly resolve it for you. What I love to do is actually to add here the tracking information. So you can go to this website here, and then I'll paste here the tracking number, and then I'll hit track. And then here I can just copy the tracking link, and then go back to the message and place it on the message. And then you place the link here, and then add your store's name, your name, and send the message to the buyer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. And good luck. Keep moving forward, and see you next time.